Okay.
I'm gonna turn off my. Oh my gosh, that looks good.
Yeah. Zion was right.
Excited, dude. If this is nothing more than like pooping and like
Here,
digging for bones.
Explain why you're saying that.
Well, Zion said that this was gonna be like we had to get this game. We have to.
It's so
and
good.
He gave such a glowing review, but I don't know that it's gonna be any good. It doesn't look
horrible.
Just from the stuff on the back, it didn't look amazing. Oh, there's another dog.
There he goes.
That doesn't.
Bye. What am I? Oh, game file. Okay.
Wow, what a way to choose the game file. That's pretty creative, actually.
Press X to... Yes.
So fancy. Hi, I'm Tom. Oh, he actually is talking.
Yeah. What do you expect? It's a dog's life.
Yeah, but I just... Oh my god! He just fucking killed a butterfly with his asshole.
No school, no chores, no work.
He's like, I'm ready to fuck. She's not having.
Oh, we gotta get the girl.
Keeper.
No. Well, that's how it would work, but...
Yeah. So it's fine. It's fine now. It's okay for dogs, I mean... Socially acceptable.
I'm being brought to the pound? Is that what's happening? Yep.
No, you're about to get pounded by that guy. He's like, you're about to get it.
I'm going to a dog fight.
It's like that Christopher Walken skit we were watching. What the hell?
You cannot be serious, Dwayne. The country's full of bugs.
That sounds like Miss Ham. Or no, Miss Potato Head. From Toy Story.
That is in my purse.
Or Miss Costanza from
Do you know
Seinfeld.
how many accessories I have?
Wow.
Is that the loading screen? That's great. That's possum.
That's when you're supposed to high five your TV as hard as you can. Don't do it. Hey.
Oh,
You're
my head.
Oh, my head.
He
No,
has 5 stars.
Daisy
He looks very different now.
must rescue Daisy. But how?
Hey Jake, how's it hanging?
They spent like all their money on the first 15 minutes of the game. Less than that, and then the rest of the game like, ooh, shit. We've got to change it up. They got like
Here I come.
they got like Robin Williams to do the first like 5 minutes, and then they were like, ooh, we got to get Steve from downstairs
the
to do the
controls
rest.
are reversed.
Can you switch them? Press start.
Oof.
Wait, did you just press start and it jumped?
No,
Press
Select
select button for settings. Select.
what? I hit start to go to this.
Invert. You can't even switch it, I don't think.
Nope.
Wow. My balls itch.
Impressive. I guess I'll just have to get used to it. Whoa! Oops. Jump.
He's like trying to dig
Pick
it.
up, pick up, pick up.
Baby.
Well,
It's like
baby.
Scooby's like more intelligent cousin without the speech impediment.
Yeah, but he can only talk to animals.
We don't know that.
Yeah, maybe he's
We
talking
haven't
to
seen
everybody.
him talk to humans yet.
Maybe I can talk to the horse. That's the wrong button. If I could.
Maybe you can jump through his face.
I'm looking right at him. Okay,
Jump
no.
at him. Jump at him.
Jump. I can't jump at him.
Oh. Bah!
I shake my head no when I do that.
Get the chicken. Get the chicken. Get the chicken.
Oh. Pick up, pick up.
Smell-o-vision.
Oh. Why would I
Wow.
let him go? I'll let him go in the house.
Throw him.
There's your chicken,
I can
cat.
smell something inside.
Oh, that's just another dog.
Squeeze through Lopez's doggy door.
Lopez is the
I
Chihuahua.
smell something
That's-
inside.
Wow.
Can't
Typical.
Squeeze through Lopez's doggy door.
Yep, I heard you. I hope that wasn't the only
Because
thing.
of Mexicans.
With ball.
You get it? Lopez?
Thank
Yeah.
you, Miss
Yeah,
Peaches.
I did get it. Thank
Mm.
you. Who? What is
Well,
happening
the
to the
audio
audio?
just cut out. They like looped it, but then they like put a space
Oops.
with a couple seconds in there.
They're like, we don't have enough money to go back and fix that. Oh. Why is this? Okay. Where to now?
Nowhere. Wait, try the tree behind you.
Oh, the camera won't turn that way. Okay. No.
You're dead.
Oh no.
Hey, y'all. Miss Peaches talking
What?
at you. I still
Is this the
love
radio?
you. Yes, I do. Today, I'm back with more
What
inside
is-
information on Miss Peaches' crunchy
I reversed like a car.
Itty bitty kitty treat that pussy wussies love.
This is like a radio station or something.
Did you know that everlast
Shit, I just ate Lopez's-
superstars, guys and girls here in my Boom City factory
Give me that.
undergoes a
Give me
regular
it.
physical
He like
examination.
what?
Yes, they do.
He
Including
punched
a
that shit
thorough
and took
skin
it.
inspection to root out any
We're gonna have to bring
possibility
Zion
of
in here
nasty
at the
dog.
end.
I'm not listening
And
to a word. this lady
Congratulate
said.
him on such a good choice.
Well,
'Cause I already
I
like
kind of
this.
wanted it.
Well, this was his
Give
decision.
me some credit.
He did this.
I paid for it.
Yeah, but you were on the edge. You were like, really? Because you were gonna choose something else for that
Yeah.
deal. And this,
I bet I can grab those. Are those piranhas?
go across the waterfall. There's a cave.
Oh, yep. Oh no!
You can still go. No,
Can I go swimming?
you can go drowning.
What's the point of barking? Just to scare off people? Oh boy.
Steve comes up to you and gives you a bone.
I feel like this is
You don't
the
take
typical
it,
life
so he
of a
just
dog.
force feeds you with it. Take it, be mine.
Whoa, that was a
Whoa,
very high jump.
that's
Whoa.
incredible.
Maybe it's because I ate
What
so
is that?
much.
What is that? That's a box. That's a box of pistol ammo. It looks like it. Looks like 9mm.
Yep. Definitely. Okay. Oh, I should be using my smell-o-vision. Where do I bring this? No one's asked for anything.
Bring it back to the house so the farmer can shoot you in the face like Old Yeller.
Alright. Or where the red fern grows. Sorry for spoiling all those. If you haven't reached 6th grade yet.
You know, I never watched either one of them or read either one of them.
They make you read them and watch them.
I read The Outsiders and watched that.
Yeah, I've never gotten through a movie that was adapted from a book that was shown in English. Oh, sir,
Hey, ooh!
let me
That's
jump
interesting that he leaves on his own.
on it. Let me,
When was this game made?
soon?
I don't know. Soon?
Oops, didn't even say that, but here you go, sir. I'll leave that with you.
This is early access.
It comes out soon. Why'd they drop me off? Oh no, I fell out of the truck. That's what happened. Oh, so I'm trying to rescue Sally, my dog.
This
friend.
came out in 2003.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
I mean,
I get it got a 7.9 out of 10 from 57 people rating it on IMDb.
hey Gramps.
Oh, you son of a bitch! Get the fuck off my lawn!
Like yeah,
Oh,
how you
wave
like
it in my
that?
face, why won't you?
I like them apples. It's just so hearty, son of a bitch.
He's gonna hit me. eventually. He smelled his fart. He's like,
Wait,
"Ooh,
you live there?
this is my
You don't live at
checkpoint."
the other?
I think this is save points. It is.
Who do you belong to?
Nobody anymore.
You're free. Yeah, but you lived there, didn't you?
Yeah.
I want to find a bunch of barrels. So you can just run through all of them.
Maybe I could have ate that dog. I mean,
That's
crow.
a crow. Dogs are the one you are with the 4 legs. You even
what is
read
happening?
something today.
I didn't hit start. Okay. Whoa.
That's the loading screen. It's
Oh.
not bad. Extra bones can be earned by collecting certain sins.
Okay.
I mean, I guess that's right, but
12 blues gets me
Feels
a bone.
wrong.
And boy, do I need bones.
Okay.
boy, do I need to be pounded.
How
Dig.
quirky.
Dig behind
What?
you on the gold spot.
Oh, okay. How do I dig?
The dig button. it was like too late. Actually, it was. You hit 0 seconds.
Pick up.
Pick up.
Bonerific.
That's what I say.
Yeah.
Um,
Wanna fuck your mom? Wait, use your smell-o-vision again. Oh, that's not a scarecrow. I thought that was a scarecrow. Look at his face. Look at his face.
get out of the way.
Look at his face.
Talk.
Look up at his face.
First crows, now a dog.
He looks like a ghoul. Oh.
Oh.
Every
Okay,
time
now
I
he
try
looks
to
normal.
repair the
Not
scarecrow,
normal, but
I get attacked
he looks
by
fucked
birds.
up.
Well, I won't
He's
give
got like
in.
3rd-degree burns
I
on
tell
his
you,
face.
Private Dog, this
Well, he's
means
been in the war,
Blah.
obviously.
Better get rid of those
Look at his
birds
medals.
for him before he has a
I
heart
used to
attack.
have a wife and kids before the
Wait,
fire.
there's something on him that I have to dig?
He's got a cookie in his pants.
Battle station.
What was that?
Just for
Oh,
dogs.
he's getting bird poop all
He
over.
puts peanut butter in his overalls so that the dogs and the animals will come and lick him.
Right?
Oof, fuck that bear. Oh, wait, there's goodies.
This
Oh,
music's very
yes.
nice.
Fuck that sheep. Oh, get that butthole. It looks like it's wearing a blanket. Like a sheep.
It's
or a-
Minecraft. Like that one right there.
Oh, there's Jim.
I've heard sheepdogs can be pretty stubborn.
You
Oh.
can't fuck that dog until you get 5 bones.
You're right. Maybe
So
there's
you
one
got
in here.
4.
Give me it. Give me it.
Just
No.
turn on your smell-o-vision.
You're
the
right.
gold
You're
spot.
so right.
Whoa, what is the green spot? Is that
50
poop?
purples gets me a
On-
bone. And the
On
more
each level
bones,
there are
the
50
better.
purple stones.
Collect all 50 to get a bone.
Oh my lord, that's way
So
too
you gotta
many.
defend. You gotta like finish missions and stuff.
Oh, I hate this mode though. I'd never want to do that. Oh, it doesn't seem like it'd be too hard to get to this mode.
Hit
dude,
me
this music's so
again, my
relaxing.
friend.
Oh, so much. It's Minecrafty for sure.
Boy. Now that's what Jake
But
calls
if he would just stop with the
Oh,
with the little quirky
Smells like a basset hound. Smooth.
bonerific.
Gotta bone my wife.
Essence of dead rat.
What?
Essence of dead rat.
What an aroma.
I love this guy.
This isn't bad.
He's
Not
my
bad
favorite.
at Paul.
At Paul? Is that what you said?
Not
They
bad
may have
at
won the battle,
Paul.
Private Dog.
Why'd you
but
say
they
that?
won't win the war.
What year is this for them? What's the canonical year?
I
I
can
don't
do the digging challenge.
He said it was right after the war.
Whoa,
No,
that should
it
clean
said,
up my
he
sinuses.
said- They may have won the battle, but they won't win the war.
Oh. Well, there's a war going on there.
No, where are you going?
Oh, where am I supposed to be going?
We're gonna go that way and just collect those smells.
Oh.
What
I think the
an
blue one is a time
aroma.
trial.
Where do I, what?
I don't know. I guess you're done.
Right there.
Bones, my favorite.
Bones. What happened?
Terrific.
There
You
it
got a
is.
bone after it
Yes.
danced up under your penis.
Back into smell mode.
Gimme, gimme, gimme.
Yes. I need one more. And then we can go do it with that other dog.
If we don't get to fuck that dog,